Hello friends, in this video we are talking about ways to earn Scrum Educational Unit, SEUs, and essential units in order to become certified Scrum professional. So you need to acquire 70 SEUs in order to become certified Scrum professionals, and Scrum Alliance gives you an option to earn them under various categories. So we have 6 categories. Now these category defines a type of activity which you can do which falls under that category, and for against those activities you can earn SEUs. Let's look at the first category, category A. Category A talks about the events which are organized or sponsored by Scrum Alliance. Now Scrum Alliance does the sponsorship in multiple ways. They sponsor the events. They also sponsor or approve the Scrum user groups. So in many cities you have Scrum user groups, and they keep conducting meetups and events in order to promote, in order to facilitate interaction around Scrum. So if you attend those events, be it a user group event or a gathering or a sponsored event by Scrum Alliance, you earn Scrum Educational Unit for every hour you spend in that particular activity. So 1 hour is equal to 1 Scrum Educational Unit. You can earn up to 45 SEUs in this particular category. So there is a maximum cap. So if you keep attending event, if your count goes beyond 45, they will not be considered for your CSP application. So you have a cap of 45 Scrum Educational Unit, which is a big number because you just need 70. The second category is category B, and this category has no upper limit. This category talks about the educations which are provided by Scrum Alliance certified trainers or Scrum Alliance registered education providers. So all the educational events, all the training events which are published on Scrum Alliance website falls under category B. In order to become CSP, you need to have one of the elementary certificate of Scrum Alliance, be it CSM, CSP or CSD, and that particular certificate will give you educational units under category B. So if you are a CSM certified, you already have 16 or 14 depending upon from where you did your CSM certificate educational unit under category B. Then the third category is category C. The category C talks about face-to-face training around Scrum and Agile, but not provided by Scrum Alliance registered education provider or Scrum Alliance certified Scrum trainer. So for example, if you attend any training in your office, or you attend a training from any outside vendor, the training content should be around Agile and Scrum, but it's no need to be approved by Scrum Alliance. But here we have a cap. You can only earn up to 15 SEUs under category C. Then we have a category D. Category D is for volunteering work. It is like you are helping some group or an organization which is an unpaid service, which is a volunteering service in order to adapt to Scrum or Agile. So if you are involved in those kind of activities, you can claim up to 15 SEUs under category D. Category E is an interesting one. It's all about self-learning. So for example, if you read a book on Scrum or Agile, if you read a blog on Scrum or Agile, if you watch a video on Agile related topics or Scrum related topics, you can claim them under category E. Again, we have an upper limit, 15. So it's up to you. When you declare your category E SEUs, you need to elaborate about what you have watched or what you have learned out of that particular book or blog. But yes, you can claim 1 SEU for 1 hour spent, and you can go up to 15. The final one, category F. Category F talks about anything which is not falling here, but helping you to learn Agile and Scrum can be looked into category F. Activities like attending a web event which is not organized by a certified Scrum trainer, but the web event is all about Agile and Scrum, that falls under category F. Or if you are co-training with with a trainer in your organization and you are learning via doing co-training, that also falls under category F. So there are various ways of earning SEUs. Now let's look at a case like how many SEUs do you really need. definitely you need 70 for becoming a certified Scrum professional, but you might be already having 15 from your CSM or CSPO certificate, and you can claim 15 by self-learning, because if you have been doing Agile and Scrum for 3 years, you must have read 3, 4, 5 books on Agile and Scrum related topics. You just need to elaborate your learning and talk about what you have learned out of that particular book. So if you follow these two categories or as a starting point, you are approximately at 30 SEUs. So you only have to worry about the remaining 40 SEUs to match your total of 70. Now, many times my clients comes to me and ask that, is there any way I can help them in earning the remaining 40 SEUs? The answer is yes. There are ways to earn the SEUs, and it can be done online as well. So let's look at how we can earn SEUs online. First, look at a category A. There are many user groups who have started conducting online events. I run a group named Discuss Agile Network, and we do conduct online Agile discussion, web events where we talk about Agile and Scrum. And these events are registered under the Scrum Alliance user group. So if you attend our online event live, you earn SEUs under category A. So that's one way of doing. So we are only talking about online ways of earning SEUs. Under category B, if you attend a video training by certified Scrum trainer, you can claim SEUs under category B. If you attend an approved online program from Scrum Alliance registered education provider, you also earn SEUs under category B. We do have an online program which is approved by Scrum Alliance, and enrolling to that program and going through the contents will give you SEUs under category B. The third online option is category F. So if you attend web events organized by non-CSTs and you attend them live, which are around Agile and Scrum, you earn SEUs. So you can earn up to 15 SEUs by attending Agile related web events. So by following these three options, remaining active for 3-4 months, there are ways to earn SEUs online. Second query, okay, I don't want to earn online. What are the ways of earning SEUs fast? I'm okay to attend a training. Is there any way I can attend a class and earn a SEU? The answer is yes. Look at category B. So if you attend another certificate from Scrum Alliance like CSPO, CSD, you do earn SEUs. Or if you attend an extended education programs or additional learning programs, which are again listed at Scrum Alliance website, you earn SEUs under category B. We do many extended education classroom programs in Delhi, Pune, Bangalore, multiple cities of India, and attending those programs gives you an option to earn SEUs under category B. You can also earn SEUs under category C by attending other programs which are related to Agile and Scrum. For example, if you want to do a scaled Agile framework training, or if you want to do a less training and you attend the SAFe training and you earn SEUs under category C. So I was trying to explore various options for earning SEUs under these categories. You may have a particular query. So if you have any query related to these SEUs, feel free to post them at our forum, forum.izenbridge.com. We are trying to create good amount of discussion there where people can just read few threads and get the answer of their SEU related queries. So do post them at our forum, forum.izenbridge.com.